Hello, Joana Colussi here with our 5-minute FarmDoc Daily about the increase in farmland prices in Brazil. In the last 3 years, the average cropland has more than doubled, driven by higher net farm income, low interest rates, and strong investor demand. But do you have any idea how much an acre costs in Brazil? We will show that in this video with details by region. But before we start, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. The higher appreciation in the land market in Brazil has happened in areas used for grain production, followed by sugarcane and coffee, according to a study from the S&P Global Commodity Insights. From 2019 to 2022, the average cropland value increased 128%, from almost $2,000 to a little bit more than $4,000 per acre. In the same period, the price of sugarcane land rose 94%, from around $2,000 to $3,700 per acre. The lowest appreciation was in pasture land, with a 61% increase, and planted forest land, with a 54% increase. The appreciation of cropland in Brazil in recent years is consistent with the rise in soybean and corn prices in the Brazilian market. From January 2019 to December 2022, the soybean price rose 146%, and the corn price rose 120%. Many factors drove the prices to historical levels, such as the recent pandemic, high international demand, low ending global stocks, the ongoing Russian invasion of Ukraine, and the depreciation of the Brazilian currency relative to the dollar, which is good for exporters. Although farmland prices have gone up all over Brazil, the southern states stand out. In the south, most land prices are above the national average, since this area has a more robust agriculture system. In addition, the soil quality and the proximity of ports are other relevant factors that add value to the land in the southern states. In the state of Mato Grosso, in the center-west, Brazil's main region of soybeans and corn, the price of cropland has reached around $4,400 per acre, 200% increase compared to 2019. Another leap happened in the state of Bahia, in the northeast of Brazil, where the value of the land shot up almost 200% in the same period, reaching a bit more than $4,000 per acre. Bahia is part of the Mato Piba region, considered the new agriculture frontier in Brazil. Mato Piba is formed by the Brazilian state of Tocantins and parts of the states of Maranhão, Piauí, and Bahia. The expansion of agriculture to Mato Piba happened primarily to the low cost of land in the region compared to the center-west and the south of Brazil, areas that typically have a better infrastructure. The cropland prices in the state of Paraná are similar to the average in Illinois. Paraná's price went up almost 200% in the past few years, from almost $3,000 per acre on average in 2019 to more than $8,000 per acre in 2022. In this same year, the average price for Illinois cropland was estimated at about $9,000 per acre, a record level. Like Illinois in the United States, Paraná has one of the most productive soils in Brazil. The record valuations of farmland in Brazil in recent years are unlikely to be repeated in 2023. The main limiter will come from the prices of corn and soybeans, which are low in the Brazilian market in the face of record harvests. Brazilian soybean port premiums have recently fallen to historical lows due to the weak Chinese demand while the country reaps a record crop. In addition to the fall in soybean and corn price, the interest rate increase will also help to hold back the rise in farmland prices in Brazil. Currently, the interest rate in Brazil is around 14% per year, with no signs of sharp drop in the short term. The fiscal risk associated with the expansion of public spending by the President Lula administration and uncertainties about the growth dynamics of the global economy should also constrain to the increase of farmland prices in Brazil in the coming years. So, in summary, farmland prices have increased by large amounts over the past few years in Brazil, especially in areas used for grain production. Southern states stand out as the most expensive farmland in Brazil, with the cropland prices in Paraná similar to the average in Illinois. You can read more about that in an article written by me, Gary Schnitkey, and Nick Paulson. A link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe for more. See ya next time!